All right, I have these blinds that I installed maybe 5 or so years ago, and they're kind of broken now. One of the strings is intact and the other broke. So what I need to do is I need to replace this set of blinds, and I'm going to show you the quick and easiest way to do this without having to do a full reinstall. The first thing you want to do is just buy an identical set. So it's going to fit right in there. And then we don't have to worry about redoing hardware with that. We just need to pull this out. Pull this out. You have to understand how the original brackets work. This is a bracket from the new box. I don't need to install this. They're already installed up there. But these are spring-loaded, so you can push it back, and it should give it the wiggle room to get off of this hook. So I just need to put enough pressure to push it backwards, and then I can unhook it. Okay, there we go. So now we're ready to put the new ones on, almost. We want to make sure that we cap off the ends correctly. I do want to slide my handle on. Make note here that there's a slight difference between the front and the back. The one with the extra little ridge here is the front, the simpler one is at the back. After we identify that and we know which is front and back, we put our little cap on. We can also do, well, we don't want to do the bottom just yet because we want to put our handle on. Slide it to about the middle there. Now we can put our bottom cap on. Okay. Now we're ready to push this right back into place. Hang it over the top end, push in, and hook it around the back. There we go. Just replaced it.